Business is not just about ideas. It is also about a lot of paperwork. It could be your partnership agreements. It could be client contracts. It could be the documents that are required to make or break your company. But most of the people, they do not know where to start, and usually people end up hiring high-priced lawyers. But here is the catch. You don't have to worry because we have Para. Para is our AI paralegal that is trained on a Harvard graduate legal mind, which also comes with a money back guarantee because it does not hallucinate. So before moving ahead into the video, please make sure you like, share, subscribe so that you're always updated. Alright, all you have to do is just open your search engine and just type app.legalmente.ai. If you are an existing user, you will be automatically be signed in, and this is how your page will look like. But if you're somebody who has still not registered with us or signed up with us, you just have to visit app.legalmente.ai/sign up and you'll be signed up for free. Alright. So this is how the console is, and on the left, if you just click on the business prompts, you just have to click on give me guidance for drafting a crucial business document. The document could be anything. So I will just take in the example that's written there. I am starting a new venture and need a comprehensive business plan. Alright, I will just start with this. I will remove this. So now this prompt says that can Pero help me by defining the document's purpose, what exactly the document should achieve, how should it be structured, and there are certain guidelines and certain legal compliances as well. I will just click on this arrow on the right. If you see, Para has guided me with a detailed business template, and this template is designed to help your new venture. It has all kind of considerations, legal considerations, including the adherence to US federal and state laws wherever is applicable. It has a whole title page, executive summary, business description, market analysis, organization management, products and services, marketing and sales strategies, legal and regulatory considerations, financial projections and funding requests, appendices, and Para has also suggested me with some critical points and best practices that I should follow. Also, if you want, you can download this as a whole document. So you can just think of, let us say you and your friend starting a business, but let us say you do not have any clarified profit sharing model. 6 months later, you'll be arguing and fighting about money. So that is how the business collapses. And Para can just prevent you from all these major collapses. So it could be your partnership agreement, vendor contract, or employee offer letter. So Para does it all for you. Para is just not drafting it, but somehow it is also teaching you of what really matters and what does not. You can just try this by visiting app.legalmente.ai/sign up, and trust me, you will not require any high-paying lawyer and you'll not go bonkers with your pockets. If you like this video, please comment, send us your suggestions and questions, and I will see you in the next video.